Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about debit cards and why I never use them. Debit cards aren't often promoted, but they're used quite often by a lot of people still. The only reason I would use a debit card nowadays is if I had no other choice or if I didn't have cash. For every other purchase, even if it's less than $1, I would use a credit card. Before I had a credit card, a debit card made a lot of sense. It was convenient not to have all this cash in my body, and I didn't have to deal with heavy coins, so it absolutely made sense for me. However, once I started getting all these credit card offers, I started to hear some horror stories from my friends and family advising me not to use credit cards and stick to my debit cards. The rationale is that debit takes money directly away from your account so that you won't be able to overspend if your account goes to zero. While a credit card is using borrowed money, so you get to borrow it for 30 days, but then you better pay it back or else they charge you interest on what you don't pay back. Oh, and don't forget that you can overspend way past what's in your bank account, so you can be trapped in a cycle of crippling debt. You know, that fear mentality got me for a while, but until I realized, wait a minute, I get to spend someone else's money for 30 days for free? Oh wait, if I get to spend their money, I also get points for traveling or maybe even some cash back? Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, explained the concept of using other people's money to make yourself rich. By using other people's money to buy assets that make more money, you are exponentially growing your own wealth. In this sense, you are collecting good debt. However, if you're using other people's money to buy things that depreciate, like cars or luxury goods, then this is bad debt, so this is where money starts to evaporate away. I have a full video on this topic of good debt and bad debt, and I'm going to put the link below in the description, so make sure you check it out after this video. The point is to use other people's money to become wealthy, while you keep as much as your money for as long as possible. This is what the wealthy does. So while debit cards are a simple replacement for cash, credit cards are the next level. You're being rewarded for using somebody else's money, and the only stipulation is that you gotta return it in 30 days. But then that's 30 days extra for you to invest or trade that money for a little more. Credit cards also reward you with things like travel reward points or cash back. Sometimes you get free stuff just for having that card. And when you book on certain credit cards, they offer you insurance for local needs, like if you lock your keys out of your car, or travel needs, like medical coverage overseas. There's just so much more benefit of using a credit card compared to a debit card. And the only reason why I would use a debit card is if I knew that I could not control my own spendings. Because with credit cards, you can overspend, pay only the minimums, and then you'll be forced to pay compound interest. Banks and credit card companies make millions of dollars betting people do this. They act like video games or the casino, stimulating you by rewarding you for every dollar that you spend. The more money you spend, the bigger the reward, the higher your status. So now that pickup truck looks like a much better deal now on credit card because you get to buy a brand new pickup truck that looks cool in front of your friends, and you get to get some cash back on your credit card. So it's just stimulating you to overspend and spend more than you normally would. My simple solution to be aware how you're spending your money is just to track it and look at it every week. Look at your online statements, look at your credit card statements. A little self-discipline goes a long way in getting you all the rewards that you want from your credit card. Why let the bank limit stop you when you can stop yourself? If you can control your spending, pay off your credit card fully every time and on time, then don't throw away the perks that you're going to be missing out on if you're just using your debit card or cash. In the comments below, let me know what you use to pay for stuff. Do you use cash, debit card, credit card, or another payment system that I don't know about? If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then we'll see you guys next time. Oh, and don't forget to check out the video about good debt and bad debt in the description below. We'll see you guys.